to our channel. This is Francis again, and it has been a long time to see you guys here because we have developed some new items recently. And today I want to show you our new product. This is water cooling roll with 8000 watt. So now let's open the box and see how it will look like and how it will work with the Antminer service case. This is all our accessory of water cooling roll. Now let's install it and see how it works. Firstly, we need to fix the water pump backrest on the water cooling roll and install it on it. Secondly, cut a 9cm long water pipe and connect it into water pump and water cooling roll. Finally, install the bottom rack bracket. Then we have finished the installation. Besides, the power supply extension is used for machine cooling fan. Now let's connect the water cooling roll to Antminer and see how it works. Turn on the power and connect all power cable. Fill the pump with the liquid. Now machine is running and let's see the working data. After 13 minutes running, temperature is from 22 degrees to 43.5 degrees. And the hash rate is from 236 to 243.